Christian Chaplains and Coaching has the mission of promoting volunteer and professional chaplaincy while restoring it to a Christian focus. We have seen an increasing need for clinical pastoral education that is unapologetically Christian and yet fully accredited. As professional Christian chaplains, we never force our worldview upon others. We do not judge, we don't condemn, we never proselytize. And we do not have to embrace theology or teachings that go against our beliefs either. This video is part of a free tutorial course that we offer that provides 10 hours of continuing education. Just click the link in the notes below to preview the course. Keep listening to learn more about our purpose and history and accreditation. Well, let me give you a short history of our ministry and talk about our accreditation. Several years ago, we recognized the need to provide training, endorsement, licensing, ordination, and professional education for chaplains who, like us, hold a biblical Christian worldview. Now, it appears to us that chaplaincy, which began as a distinctly Christian ministry, has, in recent years, been moving in a completely different direction, certainly away from its Christian roots. We've noticed that in an increasing number of settings, professional chaplain education is becoming, well, antagonistic to those who hold a biblical Christian worldview, trying to force us to embrace beliefs and theology that we don't believe, that are apart from what we hold to be true. That, by definition, is called proselytizing. So we decided to do something about that. Our ministry is a nonprofit, ecclesiastical ministry that's been set apart for the evangelical Protestant Christian church to teach and ordain chaplains for effective ministry. We are an approved endorser. That is, we're able to endorse and place qualified chaplains in VA hospitals and federal prisons. And our growing number of lay and professional chaplains serve in a large variety of settings all over the country, from disaster response and first responders to hospitals and prisons. We are pleased to collaborate with the Institute for Clinical Pastoral Training in order to teach their accredited CPE program. But we are a corporate site for them and credentialed teachers of CPE, and in 2018, the ICPT received its accreditation from the Accrediting Council for Continuing Education and Training. It's referred to as ACCET. And ACCET is listed by the U.S. Department of Education as a nationally recognized accrediting agency. So our CPE has been approved. And it's accepted at the highest level of requirement, which was established by the Veterans Administration hospitals. And now you have a viable option for clinical pastoral education while holding to an unapologetically Christian worldview. Welcome to Christian Chaplains and Coaching, where biblical Christians can learn the art and craft of listening to understand rather than to prescribe. We do not proselytize or force our faith or views on anyone else. We practice the ministry of presence, working to help people who are in crisis, helping them with effective spiritual and pastoral care. And we work with people of any faith or any belief system without judging them or condemning them. In essence, we make friends. We invite them into relationship while we listen, love, and then let God take care of them.